Hello everyone, Thomas here, the creator of Independent Academy. Today we continue to explore the money on-chain dApp. Alright, so what we're gonna learn today is how to unstake our MoC. So by now you should know that the MoC token is the governance token of the protocol. And if we stake the MoC token, we earn more MoC tokens. We're pretty much investing in the value of the platform itself. So this is something to do if you want to invest in the growth of the money on chain protocol. If you think that this protocol is likely to grow and is going to drive more revenue because of the fees that it collects when people use it, and you wanna benefit from that, then you can get MoC tokens and you can stake them. Now, once you have MoC staked, at some stage you are going to want to take those MoC out of the staking system so you can actually spend them. That's why we want cash flow, so we can actually spend it and use it. So how do we do that? That's what we will learn in this tutorial. We're gonna start by going in the side section, right? We see that we have doc, bpro, and also we have MoC. So here is where we are going to go, MoC tokens. And okay, here we can find the amount of MoC tokens that we have staked. Okay, so previously I staked 123 MoC tokens. So from the get-go, when you arrive into this section, it's gonna be set on the stake function. So here I can choose how much I want to stake, but in this tutorial we don't want to stake, we want to unstake. We want to remove, we don't want to add, we want to remove. So we're going to click here and stake, and it's very simple. We just need to choose how much we would like to unstake. So for this tutorial, let's say I'm going to do 10 of my 123. I'm just going to unstake 10, roughly worth $1. Now here it is telling us that unstaking takes 30 days. Okay, during these 30 days our MoC, we won't have access to them, and they will also not be earning any rewards. Okay, during this period no MoC rewards will be received from those 10. Okay, so we have 123, we're going to remove 10. That's gonna leave us with 113. Those 113 will continue to accrue interest. They will continue to accrue rewards for us. But these 10, not only we won't have access to them until 30 days, also during those 30 days they will not be generating any more MoC for us. So that is something that we need to take into account when we decide to unstake. Alright, so once we clear that, we just click in unstake. Again, it's telling us one more time, remember, you won't have it in your wallet until 30 days. And we said, okay, confirm. Now we're going to be prompted to confirm this transaction in our wallet. I always say the same thing, but depending on the wallet that you're using, this is going to look slightly different, but it's basically all the same. We just need to confirm the transaction. So we click confirm, and we get this thing, which looks very similar to all the transactions that we do in Money on Chain, and the transaction status is in pending, and all we need to do is wait for a couple minutes and until this pending transforms into success. And it usually takes between 1 minute and at the most it will take 5, usually less. So I'm just gonna, oh okay, hold on. This was incredibly fast. I was gonna pause, but there's no need, it's already successful. So we just click close, and I'll show you that MoC amount, this is the MoC amount in my wallet right now, it's still at 0. So again, we unstaked the available to unstake is 113. Okay, so we lost the 10 here, and it's not yet in our wallet. So where are these 10 MoC that I just unstaked? Well, we click on the third tab, withdraw, and here we see there are 10 MoCs, and this is when they will become available for us to redeem. And the status is processing to unstake. Now, if we change our mind, we can just restake by clicking here. And then we just need to do a new transaction. So that is the process of unstaking your MoC tokens. I hope you found this tutorial useful. After 30 days have gone past, I will show you pretty much how you need to withdraw, but all you need to do is just click right here, do another transaction, and they will show here immediately. So I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you're watching this on YouTube and you have a question or something, or any other social media, just post it in the comments. And I invite you to visit the independentacademy.org website, because here we are making the entire, we're filling this up with all the tutorials, all the guides, and everything you need to do, not only to use money on chain, but to use rootstock, the blockchain, and Bitcoin, the underlying main layer, effectively, in order to become more independent. And not just that, we're branching out into all the different layers that Bitcoin offers us to use, and a lot of tools from artificial intelligence, and basically anything that we find that we think can help you become more independent. We are creating guides and tutorials, and we are putting everything in the Independent Academy itself. And if you have any questions, any feedback, or anything that will help us improve the Academy, once you create your account, all you need to do is click in Newsfeed, and you can basically post whatever you want, and I can respond to you here. And together we can make this Academy a true place for fostering independence in the world. So, thank you for joining me. I hope you found this valuable, and I'll see you in the next one.